Hello student, today we are going to see unit number first, lesson number 4. The title of lesson, Big Data, Big Insight. Today we are going to see that the part number 2 of the lesson. Within part first, already we have studied. The data is used, the big data is used different kinds of field. In first chapter, the 5 of that points already we have studied in different kinds of field, that how data is used. Today we are in part second. Today we are going to see that here is a whole that point in the part that sports, second one is the advertising, third one is the entertainment, and fourth one is the education industries. In this field, that the big data, how it is where in a sport, for example in our cricket, there is a data that the first of the individual players, the data is collected, that total history of that back history of the player is stored in the data, as well as individual that player, and different kinds of equipments are used here in the sports. For example, that we have studied that the cricket example, as well as all types of games, we can see all the back history of that individual player. That is why, with the help of that data, that is why we are looking that the history of that players. In advertising, the advertising also, that Facebook, Google, Twitter, as well as demographics. In this field, the advertising mostly used. The impact of the advertising in the Facebook, how it is we are looking, the vast effects of as well as the Google also, Google GPS, that is the advertising, we can see what types of different kinds of that equipments are now in market with the help of advertising. The Twitter, with the help of Twitter we can see also that the advertising. The internet giants provide a great deal of data about people to advertising, so that they can be targeted campaign. Different kinds of campaign programs are used in the Facebook, as well as the Google, as well as Twitter. And the roles of demographic also, that system demographics are used in the advertising. Nowadays, what is a launch? Something yesterday launched, it is now in market day-to-day life. So the sports advertising, in our market we have need day-to-day life, because our life, our journey is going fast in every field. That is why the demographic is important. Next one, the third, entertainment and media. What is the role of entertainments and media? the field of entertainments, there is an example of the big data focuses on the targeting the people with the right content of at the right time based on your past views, your behaviors online. You will show different recommendation. We are the new technique is a Netflix. Netflix where movies are download. We are looking. The Netflix is used here in the movies, the different kinds of day-to-day life, as well as the YouTube. How YouTube we are the increasing the engagement of the drive more revenues. Different kinds of revenues, the increasing orders, that is the YouTube is here. And the entertainment media, the role of medias in entertainments, we are looking. Next, the education industries. In education industry, what is the role of data? We are looking for example of our Byju's, the different kinds of learning program. Nowadays, we have in the market dynamic learning programs. With the help of data, we can download different kinds of apps and we can see the programs of dynamic as well as the various courses, national, international courses, something we can see at that with the help of data. And this learning program in our home we can see without class, without teacher, we can download the program in our mobile. So nowadays in educations on that online videos, we can use the help of the dynamic programs. Now see the condition, national, international level, we are affected from different kinds of such types of viral infection like a corona. With the help of different kinds of program, we are using different kinds of videos, and with the help of that videos, we can completing the education journey. That various courses, different kinds of courses. The vocational courses. Also, we can help the scientific researches. With the help of different kinds of research are going, and fully the data is in the scientific. That is why without that data there is no any research. So the education industries, now we have information about the students, their patterns, and we can now prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the needs of the individual student. Every student's comprehension level is different. The courses material can now be designed catering to different requirement of the students. Big data makes it convenient to understand their choices. Their difficulties, information regarding various courses and their specialties we also have, and to assess the result. From the result we can log out the program of the students, understand his strength and weakness. This will be help to guiding in the students that example of pitfalls, value, optimum use, maximum use in the educational program. We are looking in the different kinds of using equipments of educational equipment. With the help of these equipments, we can see that what is the use of data. From back history, whenever there were not any types of invent, that time we were using the books and notes, but nowadays we have different kinds of these such types of material are available in the market. That is why we are using such types of that the in the sports as well as advertising, the entertainments, educational industries, different kinds of programs we are downloading. That is why in the careers of him based on material makeups and abilities, and in depth of the study of all this stuff would be definitely give insight into the educational industries and help in improving the operational effectiveness, the working of the educational industries. That this will be the chance of the programs of students. Big data have provided solution of one of the biggest pitfall in the education industries. That is one of the pitfall. All types of discussions and the solutions provided by this the big data. So that is the why we have any innumerable uses of the big data. It is helpful to science researches, understandings, geographical phenomenon, helping in the smooth working of the government machinery, etc. It is a genuine in our hands. It is like in our hands to make the optimum use of for the benefits of mankind. So with the help of that the big data, we can see there are the use, how we use the practically of the in industrial of education as well as in entertainment and media group, how they are using advertising, use of day-to-day life. Nowadays science is as well as different kinds of sectors we are using the advertising in business also and sports also. With the help of different kinds of that program, we can see the sports as well as advertising. That is why it is useful in our every points. In a part second, sports, advertising, as well as entertainment, education industries, we studied these the equipments for in a big data. So now today's in first second part already the first part that we have studied the banking, finance as well as the weather pattern, healthcare industries, and the location tracking, how the big data is used in the first part also. In second part we studied today. These are the points. With the help of knowledge, we can see that of the equipments of the such types of Facebook, Google, Twitter, and demographics. Thank you.